Let's make some quick and easy candied yams. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrian. Hi, I'm Adrian. I'm your girlfriend or auntie of lifestyle and decor.
Alright, Adorners, so we have a pan that we started with 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, and some cinnamon and a pinch of salt. And we're going to add some butter or margarine to this.
And 1 cup of brown sugar. Alright, so now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of margarine. We have 3 large sweet potatoes. I can't tell you how much I had to search for these in the area. Alright, we're going to bring our mixture to a boil. We're going to begin to peel our potatoes, our yams. Alright, our mixture is coming to a boil.
So our butter is melted. We have our water, our vanilla, our salt, and our butter. And now it's time to add in 1 cup of brown sugar. I'm adding in light brown sugar. Alright, Adorners, I have 1 cup of brown sugar that I'm going to go ahead and add to our mixture.
Okay, Adorners, now that we've added our brown sugar and gone ahead and peeled our potatoes, just keep in mind that if you're peeling sweet potatoes, they are a little tougher to peel than white potatoes. Normally you would see people cut their yams into a circle, but in our household growing up, we used to cut them on a diagonal because we would have this at least like once a week, and you need them to cook quickly. Now that our mixture is boiling, it's time to add our sliced sweet potatoes. They're cleaned, washed, drained, and we're going to go ahead and add them to our mixture. And then we want to add a little cinnamon on top. Now would be the time to add 1 more cup of warm water to our mixture. We have set a timer for 30 minutes, and we're going to go back and check them. I'm going to add in a little bit more butter on the top, just for a little bit more flavor. So now you see our sweet potatoes have come to a boil, our yams, and we're going to let these cook for about 15 minutes or so, and then we're going to turn them down.
Alright, Adorners, it's time to lower our heat. Got about 15 minutes left. Our yams are looking beautiful. Alright, potatoes are done. We're going to let them sit for a minute and plate them up.
So we drizzled some of our beautiful mixture over our yams, and they are ready to eat. I've gone ahead and plated them up nicely. As you can see, this is something that you can make very quickly, even on a weeknight if you wanted candy yams, believe it or not. We used to do it all the time when I was a girl. So growing up, we used to have to take turns cooking, so I guess that's why I sound like that. So these yams came out beautifully. I really enjoyed them. I am going to probably keep these for my Sunday Easter meal along with my quiche that I'm making. I hope you will watch that video as well.
All right, let's try these. Ooh, that's good. Oh my goodness.
This was so much fun to make. I haven't had candy yams. I can't even remember the last time I had them. As always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrian. I am your girlfriend or your auntie of lifestyle and decor. And as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. Please be sure to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy holiday!